Talk about having some fun. We get to Nini's house, Janine, and what do we find? We find this hose broken with a spray coming out of the wall, straight out, and just wet the whole floor. It was running all day. Everything's wet. Bathroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Everything is soaked to the ground. Water came all the way out here. Who knows how long it was running. Could have been running all day.
And then,
bedroom 3, more water. Front room, water. God knows how long. And this is high pressure system, so the water's been running. You're going to need to get a hold of the water department to try and adjust your bill.
yeah, I'll call. Hey, Ray, this feels like hot water.
It could have been hot water.
This is hot water.
Huh?
This feels like, feel the steam?
Yeah.
It's hot water.
Well, it maybe was.
Yeah.
What is it with you and your plumbing here?
You know what?
Every time I'm not coming no more. That's it. What did I do with it? So, we're not done. Just to let you know, see how much water is in here. That's how much weak water we got. Look at this. Oh, the dog bowls are full. Anybody got a shop vac? Maybe some Banaka? We go swimming back here.